It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, December 11th. I'm James Spann. Cool and dry today. A little warmer this weekend. Some rain early next week. And what about Christmas weather? Do we have any ideas? Well, let's go in there and talk about everything. We'll start with the water vapor satellite view this morning. Pretty active for the Northeast and the western states. Big upper low is near New York City. And a Pacific storm slamming into California this morning. But around here, just cold and dry. 25 for Gadsden and Fort Payne. Coleman 26. Birmingham 28. We'll expect a high around 50 today. The sky bright and sunny. Temperatures around the nation. It's cold, but I'd say seasonal for the middle part of December. There's a watch warning map, a winter storm warning in effect for New York State, some of the adjacent states, the interior parts. And out west, a bunch of high wind warnings for California, Oregon, Washington State, some flash flood warnings and watches. Blizzard warnings for the Sierra Nevada mountains of Northern California. I mean, that is a very impressive system. Big old comma-shaped cloud blowing in there. Heavy rain about to move into the San Francisco Bay Area. They shut the schools down today. They're expecting rain amounts today alone of 3 to 4 inches in San Francisco, with winds maybe gusting to 45 miles per hour in the city. Here's a look at the rain over the next 5 days. The bullseye near San Francisco is 8.2 inches. This is valid between now and Tuesday morning of next week. Closer to home, we note the heavier rain over North Texas with a wave that will affect Alabama with our next chance of rain Monday night. But as you can see, rain amounts here probably not all that impressive. This is suggesting the amounts will be really under a quarter inch for a lot of people with that. We'll take a look at that and Christmas weather and much more. And model output. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid today at noon. This is at 500 millibars. Upper low over the Northeast. Down below that, for us, it'll be a sunny and cool day with a high around 50 today. Actually, both the NAM and the GFS have slipped back into the upper 40s. Unsettled weather over the Northeast, and there's the impressive storm out west coming into the West Coast. It's tomorrow. Sunny, and the warming trend begins tomorrow afternoon. After we start the day around freezing, the high should be in the mid to upper 50s with a sunny sky. This is Saturday. How about low 60s with a good supply of sunshine? That'll feel pretty good. This is Sunday. Again, we're dry with low 60s likely. We note that new system off to the west. This is Monday. The wave responsible for that coming through Missouri and Arkansas. Down below that, a surface low is over Missouri with a band of showers coming down through Memphis, the Mississippi Delta, down toward Lake Charles and Houston. Those showers will likely enter northwest Alabama Monday afternoon, and this is Monday night at midnight, a weakening batch of showers coming in here with a broad surface low that's not too far from Chicago. Probably see highs in the mid to upper 60s Monday before the showers arrive, and then this is Tuesday. Showers are on by and just fizzling out, and we have drier air, and there's no cool air here. In fact, if this is right, we'll still be in the 60s on Tuesday of next week, and this is Wednesday of next week. Dry, pleasant. I'd say we start the day around 40. The high would be around 60, and this is a week from today. Still got the upper feature around New York City, and, of course, the system to watch for us is that big trough in the southwest United States. And down below that, we're dry a week from today. This is Thursday the 18th with unsettled weather over Texas and Oklahoma, and inevitably that will affect us. This is the GFS depiction for Saturday evening, December 20th, and this is suggesting rain and probably some thunder with this. Could there be severe weather? I guess is not out of the question. Of course, we don't know yet. This is beyond our 7-day period. This is the depiction coming off the European model, valid Saturday morning, December 20th, and it's got a 996 millibar low that's near Tupelo, Mississippi, and that could be pretty stormy, and, whether we get unstable air up in here, we just don't know that yet, but that certainly seems like a fairly big rain event there. All right, Christmas fans, December 25th. There you go. Cool, dry weather, if this is right, off the GFS. Temperatures probably around seasonal averages. And I know that's when not everybody wants a white Christmas, and we get those maybe once in 100 years here. And, we had one, about 4 or 5 years ago, if you remember that. But of course, this is voodoo. This will change, but for the moment, it looks pretty uneventful. And this is the end of the forecast on the 26th. Broad troughing over the east and some colder air dropping in here with the 540 line coming down into the Tennessee Valley. Temperatures off the ensembles for the next 15 days. Again, nothing extraordinary. If you average those numbers out, that's about where we ought to be for this time of the year. European depiction of the Arctic Oscillation stays positive. North Atlantic Oscillation stays positive. And typically when you see those two in positive range, you have a really hard time getting extremely cold air down in here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.